Hey guys, I'm gonna teach you how to make this working on microwave. So just put it on. I'll cook food. Anyways, to do this, you're gonna need. I can't. Oh, just ruined my video. Guys, I'm sorry. That was just my annoying sister. Be quiet, Kaylee. So that's my annoying sister. That was my annoying sister again. And if she doesn't be quiet, I'm about to lose it. I'm about to lose it. Whatever you say, little girl. Anyways, now you whatever cooked food you want. I'm just gonna get some cooked beef and put all my cooked food. All my cooked food in here, and also you can put the chicken there too. And I'm gonna put that one, and I'll get my food. Okay, now I guess I'm good for you. So that was how you make the working. That's how you make the working. That's how to make the working microwave. And I was also wanting to show you a lot of stuff else, some stuff else I built. I haven't got to make that much videos, and I was gonna show you how to. And that diamond block won't actually give you diamonds. It'll give you an emerald. And here is my shade job where you can create this guy. That's what I think. This is a working trampoline. Just have to get in here. And then we'll go up just like a trampoline. And I'll use flooring blocks here. Because I can get flooring blocks. And that was pretty much it. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Wait, and also please leave a like, please.